Hi guys, welcome back, but this isn't much of a welcome, now is it? Would you like to wake up and see this every day? I don't think so. Too much brown. I'm sure it's a fungus. Weather has been terrible. Too much water. High temps. I even seen mushrooms. I can fix this. I plan on overseeding. That's the best I can do. I don't want to put anything down. I think it's too late for that. But I will put new seeds down, and I hope that works. I'm embarrassed. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Now, the salvias, they call an attitude. They get too much water. You guys know that. You guys know that. But the sonic blooms, I was surprised. I didn't water as much. And it turns out they need a little more water than the salvias. That one looks better than the other three. You know what I'm going to have to do? Dig them up, move them forward, because this one isn't directly under the gutter, so it gets more water. The other three didn't. And all of this ruined my surprise. Let's walk up. Remember in my last video I told you about that box? Well, this was in the box, and this was supposed to elevate me to pro status. Look at this porch. I mean, my God, it should be in a magazine or something. Look at it. Candle, table, look at it. I did a great job, didn't I? Here's my issue. By the way, I like the sprinkler. Go to Menards, pick it up. I spray WeedClear everywhere, and I mean everywhere. Started over there. You guys know why. Those weeds grow. They cut the grass. Those clippings go everywhere. I mean everywhere. In my mulch bed, marble chips. I got sick of it. So I started over here. I doused this area. I doused it, and I didn't care. Criminal? I don't know. Unethical? Maybe. Before I move on, what do you guys think about the fern? Got it from Home Depot. The price? You know I'm cheap. Okay, let's compare and contrast. Now in the front, I use WeedClear. A lot of water, rain. You saw the results. Back here, less water. Weed B-gon and cutter. Cutter keeps the insects away. Less insects, better chance that disease won't spread. Now you see more green. This is what you want to see. So yeah, I let Mother Nature water back here. On a different note, I'd like to do something about this. I don't want to impose. You know what? I'm sick and tired of looking at this. It's an eyesore. You know what? No political commentary. No political commentary. Bring it down. Bring it down. Count to 10. On my neighbor's side, I didn't spray any WeedClear. He doesn't water as much as me. Got the same amount of rain. No brown. No fungus. Look at this. This doesn't even look like a jungle. Looks like a horror film. Looks like a horror film. Looks like somebody died or is dying. I gotta revive it. I'll get it done. Trust me. Let's end on a good note. How about the rose bushes? They haven't disappointed. Second one has filled out nicely. Remember when the left side was taller? Now it's about even. The little guy, the little engineer could. Very proud. Oh yeah, we did a great job so far. I'm down but not out. Anyway, you know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.